Welcome. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position, either sitting upright with your spine gently tall, or lie down if that feels better for you. Take a slow, steady breath in. And a gentle breath out. Allow yourself to fully arrive here in this moment. Now, bring attention inward and notice, where does the feeling of I sit in your body? There's no right answer. Just notice. Where does the sense of me feel most present? Rest your awareness there for a few moments. Now, let that awareness grow. Expand that focus from that single point and begin to include your whole body. Feel your hands, your feet, the weight of your body resting here. Widen again now. Imagine your awareness gently expanding beyond the boundary of your skin, filling the entire room. Notice the air, the walls, the stillness of the space around you. Let the whole room become part of your awareness. Now, let this expansion continue. Your awareness now flows outward to encompass the land beneath you, the streets, the entire country you are in. Feel the vastness of this connection, all of it included in your awareness. Now, in your mind's eye, look upward. Your awareness expands to the wide, open, blue sky above. Infinite, spacious. Let that sense of expansion grow even wider now until you are holding the entire earth within your awareness. Mountains, rivers, oceans, forests, every person, every creature, all of it, resting inside this boundless presence, this ever-existing awareness. And now, allow your awareness to expand even further beyond the earth, out into the vastness of space. The stars, the planets, galaxies beyond measure, infinite silence, infinite stillness. Rest here in this vast, limitless awareness. Now, gently, lovingly return your awareness back to the earth, back to the country you're in, back to the room, and finally back to your own body. Take a deep breath in and out. Remember this feeling, the vastness of the universe reflected within you. Spacious, free, and infinite. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and return to your day with your heart wide open.